I almost didn't make this video because there's a lot to do, and this is day 7 of trying to make 1 billion shillings by the end of 2030. Now, in the past week, we spent most of our time on Moneyfest Finance, and for those who did not see the previous video, Moneyfest is a set of financial tools that helps you understand, manage, and automate your finances. We also spent a bit of time on the second and third project that would be involved in this process, which is Sensei Factory, which is a cost platform for African creators. For Sensei Factory, I spent some time figuring out which influencers we could potentially work with. And for the AI sentiment analysis, spent a lot of time in LinkedIn Sales Navigator, thanks to my partner in this project. And we found out that there's at least 8,500 different sales leaders that could be potential customers for this kind of tool. So that's amazing. Tried to scrape them, but LinkedIn told us that we were basically trying to get too much information too quickly. And yeah, we got temporarily shadow banned from LinkedIn. Anyway, that being said, on Moneyfest, we spent a lot of time trying to implement subscriptions. When I say we, I mean I in this particular case. And subscriptions are a lot more complicated than they sound because upgrades need to give the benefit to the user immediately they upgrade their plan, but downgrades need to delay the effect of downgrading. And that took a lot longer than I thought. We're about 80% of the way through the implementation. If you're interested in being in some kind of live stream where I'm coding up or building the fintech, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, yeah, that's essentially the plan for this week. We're going to finish the subscriptions feature. We're going to add monetization into Moneyfest so we actually make some money from it. And then we're going to implement a new feature dialog, which allows us to tell our customers when things change. Because right now, when things change, you'll find that the product has had a few changes, but you have no idea that those changes have occurred. And that can be a bit confusing. So we're going to build that into the product. So anytime there's a new change, you get an announcement that tells you that there's a new change. We also responded to some emails from Antler, which is a startup accelerator program. Who knows if we'll get in? This plan is built around assuming that no one helps us in terms of getting external funding. So we're going to be fine either way, but replied to some emails from Antler. We're supposed to have a partner meeting with a potential partner for Moneyfest as well this week. That has been pushed to next week. So we're going to see how that goes. Also, let me know if you'd like to try Moneyfest and if you'd like to be in the videos that show how it's being built. Next week, we'll be focusing on marketing. This week, I've been a tech bro. Next week, probably going to be in marketing, but we'll see how it goes. Until next time, goodbye.